This video demonstrates an assembly transfer from SolidWorks to batch job in MBend via CAD link and direct part transfer from MBend to CNC CAD and Autodesk. This assembly consists of bendable and unbendable parts. CAD link is an add-in, allowing to directly transfer parts from 3D CAD software to MBend and CNC CAD. Apply material to the parts and export them into MBend. You can either apply material to each part individually or to all parts at once. When you press export, CAD link starts exporting sheet metal parts to MBend and skipping the unbendable parts like screws and bolts. When finished, the upper section of the report shows the sheet metal parts that have been exported to MBend, including those with and without bending lines. Now you can see that all the bendable parts are processed. In this list, we also have unbended sheet metal parts, which showing a status message, no bends. Now, we create an Autodesk order file and generate the DFT files for CNC CAD and Autodesk. Add the required quantities for each part.